If you need a free and simple tool to manage your project visually, then here's how to use the Gantt project to create and manage Gantt charts in 2025. You just need to go first to this website right here, which is the Gantt.biz, and click download. We also have a PDF version of how to use their page. So if you can see right here is that you have this windows right here, which is the projects, edit, view, task. So you just need to assess which one you will prefer. Then after that, this will create you an architectural design which you want to edit the months or days of the months where you want. Then you just need to draw dependencies and constraint, and you should be able to organize tasks in a work breakdown structure. After that is you just need to export all of your projects, and then it will help you. They recommend to use the Java 8 for running the Gantt project after you have exported it and run it through the page right there.